What's going on, everybody? Like I said, guys, this is a movement. This is a movement. This is a movement. As you can see, these are moves that you're able to catch. You see that the size of the account, it's a real account. I'm sitting at a profit of 1,200 over there. And you see what it is. You see what it is, guys. You see what it is. It's happening in your eyes. The philosophy is to say, let people grow their accounts from small accounts to big accounts. Let people be able to do it, guys. Let people be able to do it. That's what this movement is about. Don't need a lot to start, but you can start without much. You can start without much to make a lot, guys. That's what the movement is all about. It is what it is. Thank you so much, everybody. God bless you.